Welcome to the DC Frenchman Show. We got the Mardi Gras fireworks tonight here. I'm sort of late. I apologize to everyone that I'm a little late tonight. I'm not late, I was just down there taking care of some other business. The monument is in the background. It's not 4th of July, guys. It's Mardi Gras here in Washington, D.C. This little right here is the Washington Monument at the tip of my finger. Right there. Yeah. Welcome to Washington, D.C., guys. You're on the DC Frenchman Show. Mardi Gras Festival, fireworks display. I'm here at 508, 580 Waterfront, Southwest, Washington, D.C. Washington Monument is in the right side of the television set, over there in the smoke. Like, share, and subscribe. DC Frenchman Show, guys. Here in DC. Firework display. I need y'all to push a like too. Y'all watch my videos, but y'all never push like and share. It's beautiful right now. Firework display, Mardi Gras Festival, Washington, D.C. Waterfront property. We got a beautiful display tonight, guys. There. How you do that there? How you do that there? I'm the Frenchman in Washington, D.C. Whoa, I'm the Frenchman. I'm the DC Frenchman. I'm the Frenchman in D.C. I said I'm the Frenchman in D.C. show. Mardi Gras Festival. Mardi Gras fire display. Let it rain, let it thunder, I found a brand new home. Washington, D.C., guys. Let it blow. Joe. Mo. Mardi Gras firework display in Washington, D.C. today. Wow. Yeah, we got that display. Blow, baby. Blow, 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 blow. Blow. That's what I'm talking about. Woo! Y'all hear all the ships going off? It's all the ships. And that smoke clear. Check it out.
You know what? Everybody don't show up
Yep. That's it, guys. Tune in to the DC Frenchman Show. Like, share, and subscribe. I'm gonna wait till the smoke clear out over there so y'all can see the monument, though. So you can see the tip of the monument. The smoke is almost cleared from it. It's gonna be in the center of the screen. I'll have it in the center of the screen for you all to see. There it goes. Wow. All right, guys. Like, share, and subscribe. That's the Washington Monument after the light display at the Mardi Gras Festival. You all have a nice evening.